Hey YouTubers, it's me, Styles by Kia B. Today we're going to be installing a lace closure. Um, got it from my local beauty supply store. It's transparent. I think it's HD too. So yeah, I'll be applying it today. These ones you don't really have to pluck that much because I'm looking at it and you can pretty much see the part, but I'm gonna go in there and just take out a little around the hairline so that those baby hairs won't be all thick or whatever. So yeah, I'll just show you how I like to pluck. So yeah, you take a ½ inch from the front and then get your tweezers ready. And then I'm just gonna pull back. And when you plucking, you want to kind of snap and drag. So I'm snap and drag, snap and drag, snap and drag. So you hear the hairs popping, you know you plucking. I'm gonna go through, comb it out, see how much hair is in there. One more. And then we're gonna go through, part it. Like I said, these are pretty thin already, so you don't want to pluck too much. So this is like the second block, and I think that's all we're gonna do for today on that one. And yeah, so now we're gonna get ready to start my client. So I'll be right back, guys. Tyrese, you can come right over. Where your cap at? Put your cap on.
I know, right? Look, the person start an argument, person go back and screenshot that shit. That's my head, bitch. you got Cause I ain't got my hair.
Oh, you got it up. Okay, come on, sit down.
Because I have about 2 caps, I ain't know which color, so I said, I just got 2.
I'll be back, guys.